That's the Rwandan flag. Big support for the Rwandan Defence Force team.
We'll be in the starting line. Kenya, Executive Protection Unit.
But next up will be the Kenyans, the Executive Protection Unit of Kenya. Nice bright blue gas mask bags. Comments coming. I'd love to hear from you, and if you've got questions as well. Arman says, has my South African brothers gone out yet? Yes, they have. You've missed the tackies. As we see the Defence Force of Rwanda go out now. The RNP of Rwanda, Team 2, they went out earlier, 1:48.1, so that was a quick time. I expect the Rwandan Defence Force to be quick as well. Let's see. Like I've said throughout the course of today, anything under 2 minutes is a very good time indeed. Anything under 1:50 is very, very good. Anything under 1:40 is wowzers. Rukundo Olivier shouting for Rwanda right now. They're out there at the moment, Rukundo. And of course, this being day one, you want a good start to the competition. Now, I think one of the assaulters has got stuck in the submachine gun pen. Oh! Get his feet, everything must be over the line. The second of the deadweight dummies is across the line, but they're still waiting for the final assaulter. Can he get over that line? They stop the clock at 2:09.07. So what can they do? Here we go. Oh, one of them snagged something on the underneath of that ping pong table. I don't think it did too much damage though to the momentum. Sniper gets that first shot away quickly. Oh, first time reaching that door. We haven't seen that too often today. Usually teams have had a couple of goes at it. No issues there, or is there, on that left-hand side? Just a check from one of the judges that the chamber was empty. The sniper is now on the Texas Star. You can see the temperature starting to drop a little bit. Late afternoon here in Dubai. So he's done. Just over the minute mark. Don't let that upper body, oh, touch the ground. The sniper carrying that deadweight dummy has tripped and fallen. That will be a 10-second penalty to be added on. And, well, that's cost them. That's cost them. As they sprint across the line. 1:56.5 for Kenya. But there will be that penalty to be added on for dropping the deadweight dummy, and, well, that means they'll come in over the two. Might have been, they could have been even in the 140s possibly, if he hadn't have tripped and fallen. That's the nature of this UAE SWAT challenge. It's moments like that that can cost you. Keep your so we are 90 in the draw of 109 teams. We've just seen the Executive Protection Unit of Kenya go out. Next up it's Rwanda, followed by the Brazilian ladies, and of course we have two more teams from China still to go, Team E, and actually three more teams from China to go, Team E, Team B and Team F, one of those teams of which is the Chinese ladies running for the first time this year.
We're waiting for you. Pakistan Special Security and the unit Sida Police to be with us in the starting line. Following by United Arab Emirates Russell Police, Libya, Gates, China Police Team 8. Please proceed to preparation area.
Keep your
nk'ibisanzwe mu ndangagaciro z'umusirikare nyarwanda cyangwa se umupolisi nyarwanda cyangwa se umunyarwanda muri rusange, imyitwarire myiza n'ikinyabupfura abagomba kurangwa nabyo ahari hose. Na SWAT team i Dubai niko bimeze, iri kurangwa n'imyitwarire myiza n'ikinyabupfura, imikoranire ikomeye nk'ikipe imwe, ubumenyi buhanitse mu bikorwa by'akaga ndetse no kwihangana n'imbaraga z'umubiri zihambaye. Rwanda Police SWAT team yitabiriye ibyiciro bitandukanye birimo Tactical Operations. Bino bishatse kuvuga gukemura ibibazo bikomeye mu buryo bwihuse kandi bwitondewe. Secure Missions, gutabara no kurinda ubuzima mu bihe by'akaga. Shooting Accuracy, kurasa neza mu bihe bigoye. Ndetse na Teamwork, kwihangana ndetse no gukorera hamwe nk'ikipe ihamye. Muri ibi byose ikipe y'u Rwanda yagaragaje discipline, ubushishozi ndetse n'ubunyamwuga ifite bushingiye ku myitozo ihoraho ihabwa. Kwitabira SWAT Challenge 2026 bifite igisobanuro gikomeye ku gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Bino byongereye isura nziza u Rwanda ku rwego mpuzamahanga. Ikindi kandi bigaragaza ko u Rwanda rufite inzego z'umutekano zihagaze neza kandi zifite ibikoresho bihanitse n'imyitozo ihanitse.